What's going on, guys? Happy Saturday, January 3rd. Wanted to show you the new strategy that we are running on silver. It's on a 233 tick chart, and the goal here is to be done within the first couple of minutes. So far this week, it was done, I think, within the first 2 minutes. Monday it lost, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday it did win each day. So each day it wins or loses $500. And so 3 wins, that's 15 minus five. So you got $1,000 within 5-10 minutes of work on the week, all automated, part of Botman automation. So I want to show you Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this strategy does mainly momentum. So it'll catch all of this down here. It'll catch the move up. The only thing it doesn't catch is chop. I have a bot specifically meant for chop, which will actually be profitable in chop. So bear with me. This is on playback on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'm just gonna play it beginning of the market session here. It's 9:24, and then I'm gonna have to move the next day and then enable it and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and play. It's 9:24. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit so that the charts get closer to 9:30, and you'll see how quick this thing will enter a trade and follow through either profit or target fairly quick. So you'll know how quick you'll be done with the day. So we got to move up. So the next trade will be a short. So we're just gonna speed up to let's do 6 seconds here. So each tick is gonna be 6 seconds. So I was surprised it didn't short there. I guess it and then the AI behind it didn't trigger the short, but there's a short there. I'm gonna slow it down here per second. So here's where users can manage it. You can move the break even down, or the stop down to break even, or you can just let it ride. There's a target, quick 500. Now watch what it does to continue. So there's different ways you can manage this, and I have settings provided within the strategy that shows you can set a trail stop, you can set break even, different ticks. You can move the stop down, you can add a bigger target. So we got out at 75.63. I mean, I'm going to forward a little bit more just to see how far this thing goes down. I mean, this is huge. This is a huge day right there. I think you're going to be up at least 1,500 here, 2,000 probably. And then this candle here is probably going to hit your trail stop if you have one. Let's see how down it goes. I'm going to speed it up. Probably target down here, pre-market lows maybe. Let's see. Speed up a little bit. If we break this down here, it could flush. Yeah, we're going even lower. So this probably would have been a $3,000-4,000 trade if you managed it. So that is December 30th. We're gonna switch to the 31st. We're at 12 midnight. We're gonna forward it to 9. Let's see what we can get right before 9:24. Make sure the strategy is enabled. Go ahead and hit play. Get close to the open. 28, 29. All right, here we go. Market's open. Does it short? I think that it would have already shorted before. So I think the next trade is going to be a long. Yep. All right, so there's your long. Boom. Done. What was that? It's 9:30 and 55 seconds. So within 1 minute of the market open, you're done. $500. Call it a day. Let's go ahead and let's see if there was a continuation on this one. It would probably need to break high a day for it to go. Yep, there it goes. So this could have been another one where you're up over 1,000 and you can manage it. Yeah, beautiful one. Beautiful long. All right, let's go to yesterday, which was Friday. Markets were closed on the 31st. Happy New Year. So we go to the 2nd. Don't be like this, Ninja Trader. All right, and then we're gonna forward to market open, 9:24. Make sure the strategy is enabled. Hit play. This looks like it's gonna short at the open. All right, we're gonna slow down here. Yeah, it's next. So next trade is gonna be a short based on this move up. So let's see if it shorts after this candle. It might, depending on the momentum and volume. Yeah, I think it's gonna short. Let's see. We got 40 ticks left for the candle to complete. And are we gonna short? 60? Nope, we're not gonna short. Let's speed up just a little bit. So this next candle would need to finish red for it to short, is my guess. Again, the strategy in the bot knows more than I do, so I let it enter and then I manage the trade sometimes. Yeah, it's gonna short. Okay, it's not gonna short. I enabled it, right? Yep. Maybe a fourth candle. Whatever it sees behind behind closed doors. I mean, there's no fancy indicators shown on the screen, so maybe it'll short on this candle. Let's see. Yep. All right. So I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna pause it. Go to 1 second, and let's see. Taking a little heat here. Minus 250 was there. Back to green. 150, 275. Back to red. I believe this one hits. Let's see. This one's taking its sweet time. We got 2.5 minutes of work here. Whoa, almost hit stop there. This did hit on the account on Friday, so this is the first time I'm running it on playback. So we had 2 ticks from stop there. We are 3 minutes into the market open now. And there we go. This should be it here. Once it breaks, there we go. This should hit on this push down. And boop, 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 boop. Hate when that happens. There you go. 500. So 3 straight days, 500. Monday did lose minus 500. Let's see if there was follow through today. I'm going to speed up to 100. And yep, there's follow through again. So this strategy is really good. Services is $99 per strategy, and then for the first strategy, and then after that it's going to be $49 per strategy. I have maybe over 10 to 15 different bots available, and then all-in price is $3.99 a month. So let me know if you guys are interested. This is a great strategy on silver, has great risk management, and yeah, let's get it. Let's start the new year and finish the year strong. 2026 is going to be great. I can feel it. You guys have a good one and a good weekend. Peace.